Hey guys.
Hey, what's up? Monster Hustle back at you. We're back in the saddle again. Getting ready to go out to a couple of thrift stores on this kind of hot, muggy, rainy day here in Cleveland, Ohio, right?
Yeah, it's like really gross outside today. And the weather changes all the time. Earlier this week it was nice and, mild. And then a few days later, boom. It's like stepping into like a sauna when you go outside.
Well,
Yuck.
You complain about the cold and the snow, and this is what you get. So we got to deal with it. But anyway, hopefully we can, salvage the day, find some cool treasures out there. That's what we love to do. It's our job. Heck, why not? Why not wish for good things, right? I hear a little thunder out there, so let's hope that let's hope that brings us some good luck today on our excursion out to the thrift stores. So what do you say, Jenna? Let's go.
Let's go see what we find.
Okay, babe, let's go. You won't see anything.
Whoa. I actually like thunderstorms.
We're not driving in them.
We're not driving in them, no.
But here we are. Oh, someone's coming in front of me. Here you go.
Wow.
What in tarnation is going on here in Cleveland, Ohio on this Sunday? There's no sun out today.
Wow.
It's rain day here in Cleveland. My Lord. Happy Father's Day to everybody watching. For some reason, we're on our way to our second Savers store around town. I don't know why we're going, but I guess here we go.
We're going thrifting in a thunderstorm.
Thrifting in the rain.
Just thrifting in the rain.
What a dangerous feeling. Oh, we're hydroplaning again. No. Yeah, so anyway, so here we go. Oh, Lordy.
Yikes.
Get that stuff when people going through all those puzzles. Just point over there.
But we went to two different Savers actually. I bought some Barbie dolls. These were $3.99 each, but we had 20% off coupons. These are Barbie Fashionista dolls. Some of them I did try to look up, and I think I can flip them. They're small flips, but they're really cute. They're easy to deal with, easy to ship. They don't take up a lot of room. So I might try for like between 15 to 25 on some of these, and probably just do free shipping to sweeten the deal since they don't weigh much. But this doll has like platinum gray hair, and the sides of her head are shaved. They have like edgier hairstyles. This girl had like little braids, so that's real cute. She has like an urban look. This one has green and black hair with big gold earrings. And she's also very cute. All three of them are very cute. And they were $3.99 each. And that was before my 20% off coupon. So I picked up that. And then I also picked up... And I have to watch because these are breakable. I try not to buy a lot of breakable things. But these... I paid $8 for the pair. Two's Company. These are candlestick holders. And... it looks like one sold last month in May for $40 plus shipping. So I paid $8 for those, and I'm going to try for $40 plus shipping, just like the one that sold last month. I did find a purse. I did look through purses. Let me take these out, and I'll show you. I found one purse. It's like a leather tote bag with a zipper. It's actually real nice, and it's Barney's New York. It's gently used. I don't see any major flaws with it. It's zipped up fine. It has like a little pocket there. The leather looks like it's pretty good. Maybe just a tiny bit of wear there. But when I looked up Barney's New York bag, the prices were all over the place. I paid $6.99 before the 28% off. And I'm going to try for, between $30 to $50, that price range. I think that's fair. Some of them have sold for around that price. Not this exact one, but similar tote bags and little shopping bags that are labeled Barney's New York. That's a fancy department store brand that was, well, in New York. All right. I picked this up just for myself because I thought it was cute. There's parts of the house that we're fixing up and repainting, and changing some things around and trying to declutter. May your clothes be comfy, coffee be strong, and your Monday be short. I just thought that was cute. I know these are kind of cliche, and I think this, the little wooden signs, I think that's going out of style, but some of them I like. So I bought that for myself. I paid $1.49, so I got a good deal. I didn't have to pay the brand new retail price for some home decor. All right, and then I found some Adidas shoes. Adidas Stan Smith. And they're polka dot shoes, and they're gently used. They look pretty nice and clean. You know, it looks like just worn a little bit. And I paid, oh, take my receipt out of there. I paid $8.99, and I'm going to try for around $35 on these. I think I could sell them, and they might not sell right away, but I know that they will sell. All right, so moving right along here, there's more dolls. I found more dollies. So JoJo Siwa, she was real popular, like with the Disney Channel and with kids and stuff. She had like her own kids show. She's kind of like the modern day version of Clarissa Explains It All, if anyone remembers that Nickelodeon show. Just a popular girly girl. But yeah, this is a JoJo Siwa doll, paid $2.99, and the comps look like they're around $30 to $35. It looks like some of the JoJo Siwa stuff is collectible, which is cool. So, all right, take these dollies out because we're done with them. We already showed you them. Here's another dolly. I think this is from the Fashionista line. She has real nice curly hair, nice face there, a cute little outfit. I don't know if that's her original outfit. No shoes though. I was hoping she'd have shoes. $2.99, and I don't know, anywhere between maybe $15 to $25, depending on what type of fashionista doll she is. And then I found these. These are brand new with the tag. These are Skechers ladies slip resistant work shoes, and they have memory foam, so they're very cushiony. It's really nice if you're working in a warehouse, in retail, if you're working at a restaurant and you're on your feet all day. And I remember I worked at a restaurant a long time ago, back in the day, just for about 6 months or so. I was a waitress at a restaurant, and yeah, we had to wear slip resistant shoes. And sometimes they're hard to find. So Skechers, they're nice and comfy. So I did pay up for these. I paid $17.99, and I'm going to try for $50 with free shipping. So I'm paying up a little bit, but I think it'll be worth it. I think someone could really use these, and I can make a little bit of money off of it. And okay, I think that's it for now with my haul. I'm going to flip this around.
Just hit it.
There you go. Do you want me to put the movie on?
Hello, one and all. It is I, James, the other half of the Monster Hustle crew here, along with Janet. And here is my haul for today. We braved the rain and came up with some treasures. So here I go. I'll show you. We went to 2 different savers and picked up some stuff at each one. The second one we went to, I liked because it had more media and stuff like that. Although I did find some really cool stuff at the first one earlier today that we went to. So it's just a couple of cups. We have actually 2 of these we picked up, matching CLE handmade stoneware, red stoneware coffee cups. They were $1.49 a piece. This is just for Janet and I to have our morning coffee on the bench outside type of stuff. So we got 2 of those. It's just kind of for fun. This next thing I got was try to get out of the bag here if I can. It's a Sony Walkman, and these, you know, these sell pretty good as long as they work. There was only a $2.99 investment, $3 investment. So with any luck, I'll throw some batteries in this sucker and it will work perfectly, and I'll get like 25 or 30 bucks for it, plus shipping. And yeah, these are always a pretty good buy, especially if the one thing you have to wonder, be careful of obviously, is if the battery pack has any corrosion. And yeah, you can clean the corrosion out, but the problem with that is that sometimes that battery acid can leak into kind of leak its way into the circuit boards and destroy the circuits inside and short out things. So, but if your investment's low, you can also sell these for parts on eBay. People do buy these things for parts and repair. So you're not completely lost if you buy something that wasn't too expensive and it doesn't work. So that's one of those be on the lookout for, kind of a bolos, right? This was cool. I don't know why. I bet you Janet saw these and just didn't pick them up. But they're vintage BMX bike handles, and I love that packaging. The packaging is so 80s with the grid graphics, for the background. I love that. But yeah, they were $2. I looked up a similar pair. I think they were blue. Someone has them up for like $26 or $29. These are like $2, so heck yeah. They're in the packaging. Authentic stuff. Bikeway BMX, baby. Soft, comfortable. They're all crammed up and everything. But these look pretty good. You little bold people lost their sheep. What's that back? There's Bugs chilling with his carrot under a tree. And the records, interestingly enough, you'd be surprised. Like, if you find a record that's pretty scratched up, sometimes they still play okay. These don't look too bad. I see some really weird gouges in some of them and scratches. But, these were like $3.99 a piece. And there were so many of them. I was so happy because they're all... I love this kind of stuff. There's the grasshopper and the ants. Who could forget that? This bozo and some birds. Oh, look at that bird. Check them out. Pretty cool. Yeah, great visuals. I mean, the colorization on here is really strong and still holds up nice. And then Bugs... I have this one already, but it's in way worse condition, so I'm happy I found that. But Bugs Bunny and the tortoise. This was a funny cartoon. I remember this one. The hare and the tortoise, right? Elmer Fudd. There we go. Let's get to that. And that's it. That's going to end my haul. And to quote Porky Pig, that's all, folks.
All right. Hey, gang. Hey, guys and ghouls and everyone in between. Janet here from the Mummy and the Monkey. Sound effects. It's a great B movie. Has Christopher Lee. Really fun. So thank you, Rob. And then this is something we unearthed here in the eBay dungeon in the basement. This is a Donkey Kong sign from EB Games when I worked there a long time ago. And it needs cleaned, but it used to be like a stick-on sign. Ew, cat hair. So I'm going to wash that off before I were to list it. But yeah, 8-bit Donkey Kong, that is too cool.
Wow. Woo. Well, there you go. That's what we did today. All day today on this Sunday. There was no sun on this day. It was all rain day. I think I already said that. But
well, we still had fun on this Sunday. We still made it a Sunday fun day, and we found some stuff that we could flip, a few things to keep, and some stuff that we learned to never buy again.
No good. No good. Don't buy again.
So thank you guys for watching our behind-the-scenes videos here on YouTube. We have multiple playlists on our channel. Hit like if you like the video. Hit subscribe. We do appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Bye.